Hi everybody, I hope you are all well. Seeing that I cannot come into school and bring some dancing to you there, I thought we would do a little bit of dancing at home and you will be able to practice it at home. So Freya and I are going to do a little dance for you. We're going to show you all the different parts of it first so you can have a little practice. We'll do a little tutorial and then we're going to put it all together so that you can do it all the way through. If you are by yourself, then you just need to follow Freya. If you're in a pair, so if you've got a mum or a dad or a brother or a sister, anybody that's living with you at home that you would like to dance with, then one of you be Freya and one of you be me. So we're going to walk it through with you first and then practice it to music. So here we go. So one of you needs to stand at the front, one of you needs to stand at the back. So first thing we're going to do, stretch our arms up or down. So front person goes down, back person goes up for 2 counts. 1, 2. Then we change over. 3, 4. Then we swap again. 5, 6, and once more, 7, 8. Okay, let's try that again. Standing up nice and straight. You're just a little bit too tall for me, Freya. You can say standing up, it's okay. Ready? 2, 3, up or down, stretch. 1, 2, change. 3, 4, change. 5, 6, change. 7, 8. Lovely. Let's try that to some music. So, standing one in front of the other. Nice and tall. Are we ready? So we're going to go arms up or down. Feet together. Stand up nice and straight. Ready? 6, 7, up or down. And change. And change. And change. Well done. Brilliant. Okay, next bit. We've got our feet slightly apart. If you're at the front, you are going to go around this way. If you're at the back, you're going to go around this way. Our hands go on our hips and we lean all the way round. We come down. Back the other side and up. So imagine you're in between 2 pieces of glass. So you can't lean forward, you can't lean back. You just go round. So we'll try that. Ready? So we go this way first. 2, 3, 4. Round. 2, 3, 4. Then we go back. Back. 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's add that on from the beginning. So our arms go up or down. Ready? 6, 7. Up or down. 2. Change. 2. Change. 2. Now round to the side for 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. We do that twice through. Okay, should we practice that to music? Let's try again. Let's practice that to music. Are we ready? So feet shoulder width apart, stand up nice and straight. Back person up, front person down. Go. Up, 2, change, 2, change, 2. Now round. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. 2. Repeat, arms up or down. And change, and change, and round. 3, 4, and back. 2, 3, and stop. Well done. Brilliant. Next bit. We're going to lean side to side. Front person's going to go this way, back person's going to go this way. You can look at each other as you lean. So we're standing up and we do each side for 2 counts. So we lean. 1, 2, change 3, 4, change 5, 6, change 7, 8. So we do that twice. Ready? Ready? 6, 7, lean. 1, 2, 3, and again. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Then the front person bends down and touches the floor. Back person stretches up. Then we swap over. Front person stretches up, back goes down. Then we swap again. And then we both stand up. And then we repeat. Shall we try that to some music? Are we ready? Ready? Let's go from the beginning. Are we ready? Arms going up or down. Ready? 5, 6, 7, up or down. And change. And change. And around. 1, 2, 3, and reverse. 1, 2, and again up or down. 2, 3, and round. 3, 4. Now we're going to lean side to side for 2 counts. 1, 2, and again. 1, 2, down or up, touch the floor, and change. Both standing up, repeat. Lean. 2, 3, down or up. Good. Excellent. So that is our verse. So when the verse is on, that's what we do. So now we're going to learn the chorus. So we start side by side. So after we've done our up or down, we move side to side. You can freestyle, do whatever you like. When we get here, we're going to do our elbow. So we go elbow, elbow, then hands come here, out, in. Excellent. So let's try that again. Ready? 6, 7, elbow 1, elbow 2, hands in, out, in. And again, 6, 7, elbow 1, 2, 3 and 4. Brilliant. From here, our arms are going to go up, palm nice and flat, up, up. Then we bend down and touch our knees, down and jump feet together. Okay, let's try that again. Ready? 6, 7, elbow out, out, hands out, in, then hand, hand, touch your knee, stand up. Brilliant. Just that bit to music. Are we ready?
I wanna but I'm broken hearted. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. But I like to only when I'm coming for.
Are we ready?
I can't take no more.
Freestyling
No
to
more.
feet side by side. Here we go. Elbows first.
I wanna
Elbow, elbow, hand, arms up. Touch your knees. Stop. Good.
But I got nobody here.
Okay, brilliant. From here, we then, our arm comes across this way. So we do it nice and slowly. So 1, 2, then we go the other way, bit smaller, bit smaller. Then we do a big one to this side, across our body, and small and small. So let's try that again. Ready? 6, 7, come across, 4, slow, 2, quick, 3, quick, 4, then slow, 2, quick, 3 and 4. Brilliant. Good. Okay, let's add that on from the elbow. Ready? 5, 6, 7, elbow, 1, 2, 3, arms up, up, knees, and across your body. Speed up, and slow. Speed up, brilliant. From here, you're then going to freestyle. You can do whatever you like. If you can, you're going to try and swap sides with your partner so they're slightly in front of you. And you are going to move side to side, okay? So anything you like, you just freestyle. Change positions, 2, 3, and stop. Then we go back the other way. Change, change, change. And if you want to make it nice and simple, you can just walk, 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 and stop. Walk, 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 and stop. So you can make it as easy or as hard as you like. Okay, so shall we try just that chorus to music? Are we ready? Are you alright there, Freya?
Yeah, I like dancing.
Good.
The only one I'm coming for.
Okay, are we ready? From the chorus from here.
No more.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, elbow.
But I'm broken
Arms up, touch your knees.
But I like
Arms slow. Speed up, slow. And again.
I wanna but I'm broken
Arms up,
since the day we
slow. Are we ready to freestyle? Side to side. Here we go. And change. Once more. Stop, arms forward. And again, repeat. Or keep it simple. And down. Start again.
Every single night I lose it.
So, that's our dance. If you need to, wind back, have a practice of all the different parts, and then when you're ready, you can try and join in. We're going to go from the beginning, keeping you awake, Frey.
Yeah.
We're going to go from the beginning all the way through. We do it twice through, and then you can finish in any finished position you like. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, here we go. One in front of the other. Arms up or down for the first. 7, 8, and up. 2, change, change, 2, circle round. 3, other way. Repeat, arms up or down. And change. And round. Good. Now we're going to go side to side. Ready? 2. Slightly the other person you're looking at. Down, touch the floor. And change. Standing up, repeat. Side to side. Arms up or down. And ready, here we go. Elbow. Hands in, arms up. Down. Slow. Speed up. And again. Elbow, elbow. we go. Freestyle, change places. And back. Arms out, stop. Back the other way, go. Once more. And stop. Start again, arms up, pull down. Change. Circle round. Back, good. Repeat, arms up and down. Excellent. Are we ready to go side to side? So just slow stretch up, change, and side to side. Down or up. And get side by side for the chorus. Here we go. Elbow, elbow, in, out, in. Down. And again, elbow. Arms up. Slow. Here we go. Freestyle. Change places. Freeze. And change sides. That's one. Finishing position. Give yourselves a very big clap. Well done. And you need to take a bow. I need to give a big high five to whoever you've been dancing with.
Wait, no.
Oh, elbows. Thank you so much. Really hope you enjoyed doing your dancing. Thank you very much. Have fun, and we'll send you another video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.